Hey, hit your landmarks. Hit those landmarks. Ready, set, hit.
Watch me now. Now watch me whip. Watch me now. Now watch me whip. Watch me now.
Boy, be like 1, 2, 3. Hurry!
Just if you need help with one more thing. You get all day. All day for
If you want to be good, back it up. Go play. My coaching staff, we're prepared and ready to go. You have to be mentally and physically focused. Or that's how people do get hurt. Play the game. It's a wonderful opportunity. It's a tough game. It's why you can only play one time a week. I got the head coaching job here in 2000, and there's been 3 guys that have been constant. That's Coach Parks, Coach Johnson, and Coach Friedman was with us. And we've been together for a long time, and we've picked up some great additions. Coach G, Coach Newt, Coach Reeder, Coach Mike, Coach Kenny, Coach Bree, everybody. And I would just tell you, I mean, this is cool and everything, but I'm very serious when I say this. This is still about us, okay?